Today marks a massive day, something that's been years in the making. Today we process and fit for a public customer the first Outback Armour GVM Upgrade. The customer's vehicle is a Toyota Landcruiser 300 series. We've given it a 4200 GVM, an increase in weight capacity of almost a tonne, actually 920 kilograms of extra load carrying capacity to be exact. And while it's on the hoist, I'll show you what's in the kit. This customer wanted the ability to fine tune his ride, changing loads, changing roads. So we installed our Outback Armour adjustable shocks front and rear with 20 stages of adjustment. Up front, we coupled the adjustable shocks with optional extras, upper control arms, which will help with wheel alignment and tyre wear. Another optional extra we put on this 300 is our progressive rate bump stops. These really give another layer of protection and comfort to the occupants of the vehicle when they're going off-road and remote. That's what's in the front. Now moving to the rear, we start with our rear sway bar, extended sway bar links, a rear set of progressive rate bump stops. These are actually the new ones, which is a refinement of our previous ones' designs. Our adjustable coil over rear shocks that you may have seen on All for Adventures vehicles. Expedition HD rear coil, airbags, adjustable rear panhard rod, coil perch reinforcements, stone shields. You can't miss these. These are the anodized orange ones, and they protect the adjuster right here. We move further back to our reverse light relocation bracket, and we finish with our Outback Armour insignia airbag inflation bracket. This particular customer carries quite a lot of weight and tows a fairly large caravan on his ventures. And to say we're stoked to help him be safe and legal by installing one of our Outback Armour GVMs is an understatement. We've been the suspension choice for armed forces and security teams around the world for years. If we can have a 10-ton vehicle performing well on a battlefield, it's a no-brainer to go with us for your vehicle's GVM. Give your closest Outback Armour dealer a call and never go alone again when you go with Outback Armour.